Hello guys, welcome back to another episode on Tech Talk. Today we're going to be speaking about shooting on a flat profile. So these days, a lot of cameras shoots on a flat profile. I mean, the Nikon, the Sony, the Pocket 3, even some iPhones, they shoot on a flat profile. And you must be wondering, what is a flat profile? Well, this is what it looks like. Please, can you click on that? Yuck, right? Guys, this is not the real me. This is the flat profile version of myself. But the advantage of shooting on a flat profile is the fact that it gives you a wide dynamic range. So it gives you your video just as it is. Meaning in post-production, you are able to tweak it to your desire. I mean, if you want the red to pop, if you want the highlights to be a certain way, it basically gives you flexibility to bring your imaginations to reality. But if you shoot using auto, it's kind of like asking the camera to think for you. And it really doesn't know what you want or the outcome you need in post-production. So you have to be in charge of what you're shooting. And that's where the flat profile comes in. Please, guys, could you take it back? Yeah, that's it. Feels like a breath of fresh air. So you do get the point, right? If you have a camera that shoots on a flat profile, utilize it. Don't limit yourself to the auto part of your camera. And also, if you don't know how to color grade or how to tweak things the way you want during post-production, there are a lot of videos on YouTube that would teach you how to do that. Moreover, we're shooting on a Nikon ZR, and I believe you can see that this is beautiful, right? Yeah. So what are we taking from Tech Talk today? If you have a camera that shoots on flat profile, please use it. Use what you have to get what you want. On to the next episode. Adios.